Hello, scholars, guests, family members, community members, everyone else. Hello. It's Mr. Brooks, Minnesota Chill, joining you through St. Paul Public Schools, Freedom Schools Connect. We're going to be introducing to you all a new workout. Okay? Before we introduce the new workout, you already know we're going to be doing our stretches. Alright? We stretch to loosen our muscles up. We stretch to make sure that our body is loose. Okay? We're doing that so we warm up and we're not pulling anything. Alright? Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Real quick, I want to explain something. So the stretch like this, they're controlled movements. It's not just you flailing your arms, okay? Like they're controlled movements. You're going across your chest. Going across your chest. Across your chest. You're stretching out your chest. And it does a little bit of your top part of your shoulders. Or sorry, top right around the end part of your shoulders, top part of your arm. So you're stretching, you're loosening up your muscles. Okay? Everything about Freedom Schools is purposeful. Let's begin. Our other stretch. Put your arm across your chest. Other arm by your tricep. Pull towards you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other arm across your chest. Other arm by your tricep. Pull towards you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just excited, y'all. Are you excited? Look me in my face. I'm excited. Let's go. Alright. Let's get ready to put our feet together just like this. And we're going to bounce our legs. We're stretching out our hips. Okay? Ready. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you safe? Good. Just keeping your feet together. Lean forward as far as you can. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These workouts, they feel good, especially when you do the stretches. Okay, scholars. Keeping your stretch your legs out, feet together, so you can see my feet go together. Keeping your legs straight. Reach forward as far as you can. Get ready. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's get ready to stand up. Okay. We're going to put one leg across the other leg. And we're going to reach down. Keep our legs straight. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your other leg. Cross your other leg. Touch your toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, scholars. Keeping your legs straight. You know, make sure you're doing your workouts. Nobody's bothering you. Alright? Keep your legs straight. Touch your toes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, scholars. We're going to do the Mr. Brooks stretch. Remember the Mr. Brooks stretch? So you're taking your knee and you're bending it, and you take your hand by your ankle and you're pulling your leg. So So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's a good stretch right there. That's a great stretch. Other leg, same thing. Bend your knee, grab by your ankle, pull towards you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a great stretch. It's a great stretch. You didn't see my face for a little. Oh no, you didn't see my face for a little bit. Let me see. Sometimes something happens to my video. Okay. Alright. Alright, scholars. Is that it for our stretches? Yes. That's it for our stretches. The new workout I'd like to introduce to you is simply with your lower body. Okay? So it's with your lower body. Can you all see me? Hopefully you all can see me with this over there. Okay. Are you still with me? Alright. Not sure if you can really see this. Okay. So you know how when we do our sit-ups and we're like this, and then we do our sit-ups like 1, 2, 3, all of that. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get into like your sit-up position. You're going to spread, unbend your knees. You're going to keep your legs straight. So you see how my legs are straight? They're flat on the ground. They're straight. Okay? Now, this is really important. Are you still with me? This is really important. You're going to keep your legs straight. Alright? While keeping your legs straight, you're going to have your hands right here by your lower back, excuse me. So your hands are going to be like right here. Okay? I'm going to show you. I'm doing it this way to make sure that you see. So look, your hands are going to be right here like this. And here's your lower back. And you're going to be right here. Okay? Right here. See that? I'm not like all underneath my back, no. I'm on the sides. Again, I'm going to make sure that you see it. I'm on the sides, okay? Keep your legs straight. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. So now that you're in the proper position, I'm going to switch the camera back. Doing all of this to make sure that you see. Doing all this to make sure that you see. Okay? Alright. So again, your hands right here. Go like this. Your hands right here. Your legs are completely straight. And what you're going to do is, hopefully you will be able to see this. Okay? Alright. What you're going to do is, keeping your legs straight, you take your legs and you're going to go in a circle. Alright? So that's one. Now, what you really can't see, I need to move my arm. So what you have to see is that when you do this, and you go in a circular motion, your legs and your feet are not touching the ground. I repeat, your legs and your feet are not touching the ground. So that's 1. 2. You bearing with me? 3. 4. See that? They're not touching the ground. Okay, so that's real important. I'm doing this video and I'm taking the time to explain it. Okay? I gotta move the fan real quick, so I'm not hitting the fan. Alright. One more time. Your hands right by your hands right here. Okay? Your legs straight. You're going in a circular motion. And your feet and legs are not touching the ground. Okay? Okay? Hopefully you all see that. And what's also important is that your legs aren't going so high, so you're not doing this. This is not correct. Like, your legs are too high. Okay? You got to keep your legs essentially like this. So you're going in a circular motion, not too high. See that? Mr. Brooks is not going too high. This is one of those really technical workouts, and if you don't get it right the first time, that's okay. We are here to progress. Okay? Mr. Brooks not here to start arguments in the family. You're not doing it right. No. Look. One more time. This time I'm not going to talk. Just watch carefully before you do it. Just watch carefully. Okay? Okay. Y'all see that? I know I probably took a longer time to explain it, but that's okay. That's alright. So we're going to do this. This workout. It helps with your core. It helps also with your stomach. Okay? We're going to do 7 circles. We'll just leave it at that. 7 circles. It's pretty lit. Okay? Ready. And go. 1, 2. You should be feeling something. 3, 4. Remember, your feet don't touch the ground. 5. They're not touching the ground. 6. 7. We just did 7 circles. Okay. That was 7 circles. With the camera angle and the way my room is situated, somewhat difficult to actually see it. Just remember, you're keeping your legs straight, your back flat, your hands, think about it like right by your hips, basically. It's really your lower back, not underneath, but like to the side. And you just do a circle without your feet touching the ground, without your legs touching the ground. Okay? Hopefully this video helps. Explain it much better, alright? It's good seeing you. Mr. Brooks out. Be safe and peace.